welcome back to my channel. This is Cybercomputer Notes, and in this video I will tell you how to make your pendrive bootable. And this bootable pendrive can help you in the situation if your window gets corrupted or deleted. Then you can just download your original window from this bootable pendrive. So if you want to make your pendrive bootable, so first of all you have to download a file. And for downloading this, you have to go to this website. I will give this website link in description also, so you can direct click from that. And after going to this website, go down and then click to this Refuse 3.1 portable. And after clicking to this, then it will be downloading. You can see it is downloaded, and then you have to just go to the folder where you just saved it. And then just double click on this and then just select the IS file. So you can see I have selected my IS file. This IS file IS file is saved into your PC. This IS file you have provided by the Microsoft. So after this, you have to just click on start. Okay, and this makes a bit time. So you have to just wait a moment and make sure that you have connected to internet. This will automatically means the USB pendrive will automatically detected by this. This will automatically detect the USB plugged in your device. इस पार्ट को मैं skip कर देना, ठीक है जी। अभी जो डाउनलोड हो रही थी लगा, इस पार्ट को skip कर देना और आगे का कुछ लास्ट का दिखा देना। इसको कट करना है इस वीडियो, इस पार्ट को क्या फायदा। So you can see this is 100% downloading. After this, you have to just click to close, click to just cancel it, and just go to your pen drive. And you can see your bootable pen drive is ready. And in next video I will tell you how to just boot your Windows 10 if your window get deleted or corrupted. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure that you subscribe my channel and do not forget to like this video. So thank you for watching.